Hi everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and I'm going to be demoing our new stamps today. They're going to be launched on Friday on Hochanda and on our website. So if you're free and around, join Amanda at 10 o'clock in the morning and 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Hochanda and watch some of her fantastic demos. So anyway, for now I'm just going to have a little play with the new ones using all the colours we're going to be using on Hochanda as well, just to give you another idea of what we can do with them. So I'm going to be using the colour box, VersaFine, Brushos and of course our gel press. This is our 4-inch gel press that we're going to be taking on Hochanda. So, taking the brayer, we're going to be inking up in the deep sea. And then just transfer that straight over onto the gel. And then using Brushos, I've watered these down quite a lot. As you all know, Brushos are incredibly vivid colours, beautiful colours, but do you know what? We only need a little bit of colour mixed in with the water. Otherwise it can get a little bit too intense and you can't see your image when you stamp onto it. So try and keep it light, keep it watered down. As you can see, I'm tapping a little bit off first before transferring over to the gel press. And that's simply so I can get some really nice tiny little dots. Okay, let's see how we get on with that one. Taking our multifarious card, I'm going to just pop that down like so, smooth that over. And there we go. Fabulous colours. They just work out so well. It doesn't take long for this to dry because they're all water-based colours, so just give it a minute or two before you stamp onto the card. Okay, so taking our new fairy, this is Celeste. Popping her down, she just about fits our standard block. I've just angled her so that she fits better. And then taking our Nocturne VersaFine Claire, and I'm going to ink her up. Take your time on inking, making sure that you cover that area. You can just about see if you've missed any areas. It's always worth double checking. Okay, so I'm just going to place her down in the middle there. Let that rest on the card. It just gives the ink a chance to soak into the card, giving you a really nice solid black image. We can be a bit eager on taking the stamp off and then we wonder why there's a bit of arm missing or a bit of wing missing, and that's usually the reason, just because we're a bit eager to take the stamp off. There we go, that was perfect. Okay, so these are our new fairy words, and I'm going to ink that up in the blue VersaFine. It's quite a strong blue, and because I want the focal point to be my fairy, I'm going to just take a little off first. Just by going around the edge, it just changes the card completely. Okay, so going back to the deep sea now, using a smoothie, I'm going to go around the edge of the card. And this kind of frames the card, pulling your eye into the centre. Nearly done. There we go. So finishing off now, I'm going to use one of our new glitters as well. This is another one that we're going to be taking on Hochanda. We've got a full range of different colours and they're fabulous. They've got two colours in them and two different grades as well. So they give you a really nice fabulous sparkle. Okay, so I'm going to use a quickie glue pen. I'm just going to dot a little around the fairy. I don't want too much. I don't want it to be too overpowering. We don't want to take our eye off the focal point, but we definitely need a little bit of glitter, so I'm just going to shake that over the top. Tap that off, and often than not there's a little bit of glitter that gets actually attached to the VersaFine ink there, which I think looks fabulous. Anyway, if you can see that, I hope you can. Such a quick, easy card to do. I mean, the gel press is just fantastic for giving you that instant background, something ready to stamp straight over the top. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you again soon.